The science behind healthy houseplants.
Light, water, and nutrients are the fundamental needs of any plant. Indoors, understanding how these elements interact can transform how your houseplants thrive. By mimicking nature's balance and using a few simple scientific principles, you can give your plants the ideal environment to grow stronger and healthier right at home.
Optimizing light for growth.
Plants convert light into energy through photosynthesis. Indoors, sunlight can be limited. Place plants near bright windows but avoid direct midday sun, which can scorch leaves. If natural light is scarce, try LEDs or fluorescent bulbs with a spectrum that mimics sunlight. Rotating your pots weekly helps all sides receive equal light, ensuring even growth.
Mastering watering with science.
Overwatering is a common mistake. Most houseplants prefer their soil to dry slightly between waterings. Use your finger to test soil moisture before watering again. For consistent humidity, group plants together or place trays of water nearby. Knowing your plant's specific preferences prevents root rot while encouraging healthy roots.
Everyday nutrition hacks for plants.
The fertilizers replenish nutrients that houseplants quickly use up indoors. Dilute liquid fertilizer to half strength in spring and summer for most varieties. Coffee grounds or crushed eggshells can gently boost nitrogen and calcium, but use them sparingly. Compost tea made from kitchen scraps provides a mild, natural nutrient boost for leafy growth.
Air circulation and temperature tips.
Stagnant air can encourage pests and disease. Allow for gentle airflow with an open window or a small fan placed nearby. Most houseplants thrive between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid drafty or overly hot spots, as sudden temperature changes can stress your plants and slow their growth significantly.
Use science to troubleshoot plant problems.
Yellow leaves, leggy stems, or curled tips are often signs of imbalance. Observe symptoms closely and adjust your light, water, or nutrients accordingly. Using simple tools, like a moisture meter or magnifying glass, can help you identify issues early. With a curious, scientific approach, you can keep your houseplants thriving all year round.